Hello, my name is Sakwadi. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Twitter account with an alternative email with two-factor authentication enabled on your Twitter account in the event of forgetting your password. So to start, you open any browser of your choice on your computer, then address bar you log into Twitter website. Then you sign in. After signing in, under sign in portal or sign in column, you click on forgetting password. You click on it. It will prompt you to enter your Twitter accounts. Then you click on, you enter your Twitter accounts. Then you click on search to search your accounts on their database. After searching your account, it will prompt you to enter personal information. So you enter the phone number that you use to register your Twitter accounts as your personal information. Then you click on next. After clicking on next, it will prompt you to choose a mode of resetting your password. So you click on email here, and an email, a verification code will be sent to your inbox to use to reset your Twitter accounts. So you click on the email as your mode of resetting, and then you click on next. After clicking on there, it will prompt you to enter the 6-digit code sent to your alternative email box. So you open your inbox and you copy the alternative code. Then you copy and paste it in the column. Then you click on verify. This will verify your Twitter account. So it will prompt you to reset your Twitter accounts. So you enter the password that you want to use to reset your Twitter account. After resetting, it will question you the reason why you reset your password. Then you click on I forget my password. Then you click on next. It will prompt you to enter the verification code sent to your phone number used as your verification code or your registration to verify your login. Then you click on login. Then you click on continue to Twitter. Now you can access your Twitter accounts. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on how you can add an email or an alternative email as your two-factor authentication on your Twitter account, click on the link in the top to learn more on how you can add an email to your Twitter as your two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. Thank you for watching. If the video has helped you, please kindly subscribe, share, comment. See you next time.